Hello, good evening. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, so in the last class, I think we have completed linear algebra.
Yes, sir.
No, no, not linear algebra. LPP, right? Linear programming.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Linear program.
It's programming, not algebra. So in the last class, we have done that. Now, is it visible screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to start. Okay, before starting this chapter, I think I was going to start that vector algebra, right? But we decided that this is a part of your syllabus, so we should do this first. So now let's do the vector algebra, okay? Should
Yes,
we
sir.
start? Have I started this chapter or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Both of you present?
Yes, sir.
When is your exam?
There are exams. Sir, wait. Sir, 25th September, our exams are starting. Then
25th. And when
on,
is your mathematics exam?
no, sir, on 26th of September, we have our maths exam.
26th of September.
Yes, sir.
So I think
Um,
syllabus is done.
no, sir. 28th, we have maths. 28th of September.
Okay, anyway, 26 or 28. So we have, okay, 28, right? 28th of September.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think the syllabus for that is already covered. We have
Yes,
left
sir.
with only uh, one chapter that was this linear programming, and that is also done now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please revise on those chapters, which is a part of your upcoming test. And उसको कैसे आप
Yes, sir.
revise करोगे? How you will revise that?
So we'll do the textbook exercise.
Yeah, okay. Solve the textbook question, है ना? And
Yes, sir.
your first step should be solving the NCRT questions. Then, if you
Yes.
solve these questions, if you have done this all, then you can move to some other reference. And solving textbook question means you have to check examples also, solved examples that are also very important. Many
Yes,
questions
sir.
will come from your example only. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you should focus on examples also.
Yes, sir.
Now we are starting a vector algebra. Okay, so what do you mean by vector?
The vector.
What do you mean by vector?
Sir, it is a mathematical quantities that has both magnitude and direction.
That has both magnitude and
Direction.
direction. So vector is something that has both magnitude and direction. Okay, so can you tell me any quantities that is a vector?
So quantities.
Can you
Um,
tell me anything that any example of vector quantity?
sir, size.
Size? No.
Sir,
Size?
velocity,
Yeah, velocity is a vector quantity.
force,
Force is a
displacement,
vector. Displacement is vector. Anything else?
Um, no, sir. Sir, speed.
Speed is a scalar quantity. We cannot have any type of direction in speed. When speed and direction both combine, then it form a vector quantity that is a velocity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a basic of vector, right? Now we have a very basic thing that is a line and a line segment. What do you mean by line? Tell me, is this, I don't know why this is a pen is not working. Okay, so if I'm drawing this line, which is not restricted at its extremities, that means it can go up to infinity on the both sides. So this is one, and this is also a line. So wait, tell me which is line segment and which is line.
Yes, sir. What? Sir, I did not understand.
I said what is a line and what is a line segment. This one is a line, okay, and this one is a
Yes,
line segment. A line segment is a finite quantity. Like if
yes,
this is 5 centimeter, so it should be only 5 centimeter. It is not more than five, less than five, or it is not infinity. It is five
yes,
centimeter.
sir.
But we do not have any particular length of this. It is going plus infinity on this side and it is going minus infinity on this side. So this is a line, this is line, and this is line segment. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. What is a line and line segment?
Yes, sir.
Now you already know how to, okay. This is a notation of a vector. If you want to, if you want to move, if you want to move this, move from this point, A point to B point, and in a particular direction, this direction, right? So in a vector form, you will write this as a AB vector. That shows that you are moving from A point to B point in this direction. Okay, this is a final initial, and
Yes,
this is
sir.
final. So this is a representation of any vector quantity or any vector. All right,
Yes, sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is a vector quantity, and okay, so vector is something that has both magnitude and direction. All right. So
Yes, sir.
now, what do you mean by magnitude of any vector? Okay, before doing this magnitude, let me tell you what is a position vector. All right. So position vector. Okay, so if you want to locate any point, let's say this is your Cartesian plane. Now we have to deal with the 3D geometry, like 3D, three dimension. So we will deal with a point that has both that has x comma y comma z coordinates. This is my x, y, and z coordinate. So let's say this is point P, and this is your origin O, and origin is 0 comma 0 comma 0. All right. Now if you want to know, if you want to go from this point to this point, O point to P point, so that means, tell me the name of this vector. This should be OP vector, because I told you that if you are going from A point to B point, then you can write this vector as a AB vector. AB, and this is a sign of a vector. We are making this, that is a sign of a vector. Anything that raised this vector shows that vector quantity. All right. This is basically the representation
Yes,
of
sir.
vector, you know, that shows your initial point, your final point, and this is the vector quantity. So you know that this is a point P, and this is your origin. If you meet these point, if you meet this P point with the origin, so this line makes OP vector, and this is a position vector. So what do you mean by position vector? Position vector is something that tells the actual position of your point in a 3D geometry, in a 3D plane with respect to origin. It tells us position of any point like P, position of any point like P in three dimension with respect to origin. All right.
Yes, sir.
So position vector basically tells about the position of your point with respect to your origin. And when we meet both the points, so that is your position vector. Its main aim is to just tell the position of your P point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how you will denote this? See, this is x axis. This is, I will tell you this later also, but just to write the vector in this form, I'm writing this x axis, y axis, and z axis. And see, your OP vector will be this minus 0, x minus 0. Please see this carefully. I'm writing OP vector. That means this is initial, this is final. So when you will write OP vector, so that means initial, final minus initial. Okay, and a vector quantity. So you will write this as a OP vector. And what is the final? Final is a P point. So P is x. Your x coordinate is x. So x minus 0. X minus 0 is x. And in x direction, we generally denote the direction of x. In x direction, we denote by I cap. This is a unit direction vector. Okay, this I cap shows the direction of your vector y J cap, and Z K cap. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when for this X cap, X I cap, you will write this as a I cap, because I will tell you why you are writing X I cap then Y J cap. What is the physical reference of this? Y J cap. What is its meaning? And Z K cap. So this is where actually the position vector of P point. Now, why I have written this? Why I have written X I cap, Y J cap, and Z K cap? What do you mean by this? See,
Yes, sir.
is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah. There was some grass. Okay, I'll tell you later. Okay, so okay.
Yes.
Just imagine this in 3D plane. Let's
Yes,
suppose
sir.
if this is my point P, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is your x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So
Yes,
what
sir.
what do you mean by this x I cap? That when you have moved, this x I cap shows x direction, j cap shows y direction, and k cap shows z direction, right? So x I
Yes.
cap, this means you moved x unit, on x-axis. You have moved x unit on the x-axis. ओके, इसका
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
आप x यूनिट यहाँ पे मूव कर चुके हो. And for the second quadrant on the y-axis, that means you have moved in this direction, right? You have moved y unit,
Yes.
in on the y-axis. That is this y, and that is y j cap. J cap is actually showing you the direction of your movement. Wherever you are moving, the I cap, J cap, and K cap is the direction along that shows you the direction. And the K cap, for the K cap, you have to imagine this in a 3D geometry, right?
Yes, sir.
For the 3D geometry, how should I draw this? It is something like this, right? ऐसा कुछ पॉइंट होगा, ये 3D स्पेस में होगा ना. Let me draw it by this color. This is not straight है ना, तो मतलब straight नहीं है ये. मैं वैसे एक्चुअली में straight होगा ये. So this is your z direction. when you moved in all the axes, x unit on the z x axis, y unit on the x axis on x axis, y unit on y axis, and z unit on z axis, राइट। इसका मतलब ये हुआ
Yes, sir.
आप एक्स डायरेक्शन में इतना मूव करते हो, वाई डायरेक्शन में आपने इतना मूव किया, वाई, एंड यू हैव मूव्ड z in this direction. So wherever you have the point that is in a 3D space, so that point is P, whose coordinate is x unit, y unit, and z unit.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So let's suppose I have any vector, AB vector, right? I have this AB vector. Let's say this is 4 I cap. Okay. Let's say this is 4 I cap. So what is this 4 and what is this I cap represent? We know that
Sir, 4 is x.
4 is not x. 4 is a distance traveled on x. Basically, we know
Yes.
that a vector quantity is made up of magnitude,
Direct
magnitude, and
and
direction,
direct.
and the direction. So this 4 is what? This 4 is your magnitude. That shows that you have moved 4 units. It can be 4 centimeter, 4 meter, or 4 kilometer, anything, right? But the direction is I cap. And we know what is I cap. I cap is what? In x
X
direction.
axis. Sorry, next.
In x direction. And it is what? It is a direction. So that means I cap is in x direction. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ that you have moved 4 units in x direction. All right. So this is the physical reference of this vector. We know that vector is made up of a magnitude and direction. So it must have both magnitude as well as the direction quantity. Direction. So this 4 is your magnitude and this I cap is your direction. I cap gives the direction of this AB vector. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see in this we have I cap, J cap, and K cap. So that means this vector is moving in all the in all 3 dimensions. Like it is moving in this direction, it is moving in this direction, it is moving in this also, and it is moving in this also. At the same time, it is moving in all the 3 dimensions. Just you can imagine this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what magnitude is basically means? Magnitude is what? It is something the distance from the origin. Like in this also, if you have drawn this AB vector, right? If you have drawn this AB vector, if this is your AB vector, and this is the direction of x, so that AB vector is in x direction, and it is a 4 units away from your origin. So basically, this magnitude is what? This magnitude is distance of a point from origin. Distance of point from origin. And this is only for those type of vectors, which is position vector. This is only for the position vector. Position vector, that means, what do you mean by position vector?
The distance of point from origin.
What? Please repeat.
So it has a 3D dimensional.
It has.
A 3D dimensional coordinate system.
मैंने आपको तभी बोला ना, ध्यान से देखो इसको मैं क्या करा रहा हूँ। ऐसे तो हम करते रह जाएंगे सिलेबस। What I told you about the position vector, tell me.
Sir, position vector, it's the point from our origin.
Point from origin.
To a specific space.
Tell me in this figure, what is the position vector?
The P is the position vector.
P is a position vector or P is a point?
So it's a point.
So it is not a position vector, no? P is what? P is a point with respect to your origin. This vector is a position vector. P is not a position vector. P is just a point. What is position vector? This is your position vector. This. This vector is a position vector. नाम से पता लग रहा है ना, वो वेक्टर है. So this is a vector quantity. This P is not a vector. It is just a point. And position vector is what?
Yes.
Position of any point like P in a 3 dimension with respect to origin, and vector with respect to that, and vector,
Yes, sir.
and vector joining that. Vector joining O and P. That is OP vector. So this is your position vector. This OP vector is a position vector. This P is not a position vector. It is just a point. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me, uh, you have a point P that is 4, 16, 64. Tell me the position vector. What is the position vector?
The position vector is sir, it is 4.
It is 4.
Yes, sir. It's
I will not move until or unless you are not giving the answer. Tell me the answer, then only I can move. I told you twice what is the position vector.
sir, it is a position vector is a point at P where
I'm
three
not asking you any definition. Just give me the position vector. You know this is a OP P point that should be in 3 dimension. If this is a P point, this is a O point. So this is your position vector. P point with respect to the origin, that will give you the position vector. I will repeat. I am repeating it again. The point with respect to origin, and if you meet both the points, that will give you the position vector. Position vector basically tells you about the position of any point in a 3D plane. I hope I am
Yes.
clear.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the position vector of this.
Sir, is it gonna be 4 I cap plus
Yes, tell me, you are going right.
4 I cap plus 16 J cap plus 64 K cap?
Why are you hesitating in telling the answer? You are going right. This is your point, that is 4 comma 16 comma 64, and this is your 0 comma 0 comma 0. So I told you that if you
Yes, sir.
want to find OP vector, that means P is your final and O is your initial. So final minus initial, final is 4, initial is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 16 minus 0 is 16, and 64 minus, is it clear? 64 minus 0 is
Yes.
64 K cap. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please focus.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by the magnitude? Magnitude कैसे find करोगे? Like so magnitude is basically a distance. So let's suppose if you have this, if you have this point P, that is 1 comma 2 comma 1. So basically, if we have given with only one point, that means we have to check the magnitude of that point with respect to the origin, and my origin is 0 comma 0 comma 0. All right. Now I want this OP. This is my OP vector, and the representation of a magnitude is we put a modulus both the sides. This is the magnitude of your OP vector. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the magnitude, and you know how to find a distance between 2 points. 1 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 1 minus of 0 ka square. That will give you under root 1 plus 4 plus 1. That is root 6 units. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is basically a magnitude of any vector. Now in this you have given with only one point and you have to check that magnitude of position vector. This is a OP. This OP vector is what? This OP vector is position vector. But it is also possible that your second point is not origin. Your initial point is not origin. It can be anything else also. Like it can move from 1 to 1 to 3, 4, 6. So in that case,
Yes, sir.
we will go with the same method. In on the place of 0, we will put the initial values and we will get the answer. All right.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, tell me.
this value of O, it will always remain 0, 0.
O is what? O is a representation of for your origin. You can write anything, but O is the origin.
Yes, sir. So it will always remain 0.
It is always 0. Yeah, origin is what? Origin is always 0, 0, 0. That means the starting point of any Cartesian plane.
Okay, sir.
All right, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me the magnitude of uh, tell me the magnitude of this vector.
Okay, sir.
Remember this. While finding this OP vector, we have written OP vector as a 1 I cap. This OP vector is what? यहाँ पे OP vector का जो vector form था, that was I cap plus 2 J cap plus K cap. So just analyze this. यहाँ पे जो terms हैं उसके जो coefficient है उनका square हो जाता है बस 1 square 2 square plus 3 square under the root, sorry, 1 square under the root, that will give you the magnitude. So similarly you have to go for this also. Now tell me the answer quickly.
Sir, we were writing the question.
Just a minute. Now I have given you with 3 vectors. Just tell me the magnitude of each vector. Okay, just give me 1 minute, let me plug in the charger. You
Okay,
solve
sir.
these questions. Okay, I think you should not take more than 3 or 4 minutes in these 3 questions and get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Is it done?
No, sir, I'm in the last question.
Okay, okay, do it, do it.
Sir, I got the answer.
Got the answer?
Yes, sir. So for the first one, I'm getting 9.
For the first one, you're getting 9, okay? For the second one,
Yes, sir. 2 root 7.
2 root 7.
Yes, sir.
For the third one,
Root 2.
am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer for BC vector?
Root 2.
Root 2.
Yes, sir.
Right. What's your answer, Taiba?
So for the first one, it's 9 units. For the third one, it's root 304 units. And for the third one, it's 42 root units.
42 what? Under the root.
Yes, sir. 42 units. Under.
Okay, so this is under root of 6 square, that is 36. 36 and 3, that is 9. 72 plus 9.
So sir, it will be 81. So the root will be 9 units.
Right. For this,
Sir, root it will be 144 plus 144 plus 16. So it will be
it will
304
give
under
you
the
288 plus 16.
304 units.
It will give you 304. Okay. Arya, this is wrong.
Yes, sir.
I hope this is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
This is 1, this is 16, and this is 25. 42. Is it okay? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, tell me one thing, is this ruled is better than the blank page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, now we have a type of vectors. Now see this very carefully. This is very important for
Yes,
you.
sir. So
So zero vector. A vector whose initial and terminal point coincide. That means we are talking about this. This is a zero vector.
yes,
This
sir.
is a vector. That means you are starting from the initial point and you have not moved in any direction. You are still on that point. And this is called a zero vector. And it is also represented by this also, right? Or you can represent this by a vector or b vector. anything like that. Okay.
Yes,
Zero
sir.
vector zero vector cannot assign a definite direction, and it has a zero magnitude. So this is very important. It has a zero magnitude, and it vector cannot be assigned a definite direction. Okay. It is not defined. Is the screen is visible to you? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is a zero vector, right? This is a zero vector. Now, unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is 1. We know as the name is unit, so that means it should be 1, right?
Yes, sir.
It should be 1. So any vector whose magnitude is 1, that is a unit vector. Okay,
Yes, sir.
called a unit vector. The unit vector in direction of a given vector A is denoted by A cap. Now I already told you this A about the A cap, I cap, J cap, and K cap, right? So we have A cap. What it mean? Like if I want to denote the direction of my vector, if I want to denote the direction of this vector, so let's say this is a unity, right? इसका magnitude आपका unity था, unit vector, and this is the direction. So this is the direction. That means the direction of your vector is given by this A cap.
No.
Okay, and read this definition. The unit vector in direction of given vector is denoted by A cap. The unit vector in direction of this vector is denoted by A cap. Why this is denoted by? Obviously, after this step, this is equal, no? After this step,
Yes, sir.
two things are equal. So you can say that the unit vector, this is the main thing in this, a unit vector. Represent your vector, represent a unit vector in direction of this given vector. This is a given vector A cap, A vector, right? The unit vector in direction of this given vector A vector is denoted by A bar. Sorry, A cap.
Yes.
I hope this is clear. And just for the
Yes,
reference,
sir.
note this formula also. Note this formula also. I will ask you a question. If you are understanding
Yes.
everything, so definitely I am going to ask you a question. So be ready for that.
Yes, sir.
As always, you are always ready, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway. We know that this vector is magnitude and direction. Vector is made up of magnitude and direction, ना?
Yes, sir.
बहुत बार बता चुका हूं मैं. If this is a vector quantity, so this is, under the modulus, if you have a vector that represent a magnitude,
Yes, sir.
and this is what? Tell me, Hadia, what is this?
A
What is this A cap?
book point vector.
What? Point vector?
No, sir, this is equal vector.
What vector? Where is your mind? I haven't teach you equal vector yet.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Nothing, sir.
So I haven't teach you yet about the equal vectors. I am on this unit vector, and you are saying this a cap is a equal vector. Can you tell me what you are doing?
Nothing, sir.
You are doing something else. That's why your focus is not here.
No, sir, I'm not doing anything.
No, I think, and you know better that I know everything. What you are doing?
Sir,
If you are giving me any answer, so by your answer I can get to know about what you are doing. Taiba, tell me what is this a cap?
so it's a unit.
It's a
Unit.
what unit?
So is it a unit vector?
It is a unit vector, not a unit. What is the physical meaning of this? Why we are writing this? See, this is the most basic thing that I told you in the starting of this lecture, that vector is a made up of a magnitude and what?
Unit vector. Magnitude and direction.
Magnitude and direction. How many times I have tell you this? Tell me how many times should I tell you? A vector is a made up of magnitude and direction. So magnitude is done. You have left with only direction. So here you have a direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you will not focus on what I'm teaching, so
Sir, I'm
Hadia जैसे आंसर
focusing.
दोगे आप? Hadia told me that this is a equal vector. Even though we have not done equal vector yet. We are on this second part, that is unit vector. And he told me, I guess after four vectors, that is a equal vector. Right, Hadia?
Yes, sir.
Still yes. Ah, okay. So this is, I think this is clear to you, and this is very important formula. Please note this
Yes.
formula. If you want to find the direction of any vector, so just you have to divide that vector with its magnitude. This is the same formula. That is this one. These two formulas are same. So please note this also. If you want to find the direction of any vector, this is what? This is direction. If you find the direction of any vector, so can be find that can be found by this formula, that is a cap is a vector upon magnitude of a vector. Now, this is the question for you. If your a vector is for I cap plus 4j cap, 16, 32 plus 2k cap. Okay, okay, one thing. One more step is there. Okay, I just, this is just click in my mind. Okay, Hadia, no, Taiba, you told me this answer, no?
So this
Just
answer was told by me, Taiba.
Taiba, yeah. Okay, okay, Taiba. This is I cap, and this is also I cap. This is not J cap. This is J cap.
Yes, I know the difference. I wrote according to that only I cap, J cap, and K cap.
Where is K cap? K cap is nowhere. I gave
Yes,
you
sir.
I cap plus I cap. So that means this is 12 I cap and this is 12 I cap. This is 12 plus 12, that will become 24 I cap. All right. And
Yes,
plus
sir.
4J cap. So this is what? 24 squared, that is 576. Plus 4 squared, that is 17, 16. So this will be the final answer. This is not the answer. I just it just click in my mind that I have given something else. Okay, na? So please
So then what will be the
focus
answer?
on this also. What?
So then what will be the answer? 144 plus 144 plus 16.
This is a wrong answer. I'm
So
अब
question
हमें से
is wrong.
पीछे The question is not wrong. Your answer was wrong.
So
And at
then, sir,
that
what will be
time,
the final answer?
अभी मैंने क्या बताया आपको, ये फाइनल आंसर है. आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
So, sir, we will not further add.
Okay, you can add. Come on. Here we do not have any space, na. That's why I have written only
Yes.
576 plus 16. Just add these things. Okay. Let me add this also for you. 592. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So this is a vector. Now find okay. Find the direction of a cap, a vector. Find the direction of a vector.
Yes,
Do
sir.
it quickly and get the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Is it done?
No, sir, I'm in the last part.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, the answer is one.
Answer is
One.
one is what?
No,
One is
sir.
direction.
No, sir. My direction is 6 and magnitude is 1.
What are you telling me? Direction is 6 and magnitude is 1. What is this?
No, sir. My answer is 6.
Direction is a 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to find the direction? मैं इतने देर से क्या बता रहा हूँ आपको? What do you mean by direction? Tell me what is a direction? You just leave these things. Just leave the mathematics. Just tell me what is a direction. आप डायरेक्शन से क्या समझते हैं मेरे को ये बताइए.
So what is direction?
Yeah, what is
Sir,
direction?
it is um the path line or course something move. The path line moves along the points.
What? Path line that moves along some point.
Yes, sir.
Are you focusing on what I am teaching?
Yes, sir. Sir, the direction is the path and orientation of a
Okay, stop.
line
Taiba, what's your
vector.
answer?
Sir, my answer is 10.
Her answer is 6 and your answer is 10. And you both telling me this answer as a direction. Right? So that
Yes,
means
sir.
after doing these much of things, you still do not know what is the direction and what is the magnitude. And that is the first thing that I told you about a vector quantity. So that's how you are going to do this complete chapter by such intensity of focus. Right?
Yes, sir.
At this stage, it's been around 1 hour and around 20 minutes or 15 minutes. And I gave you almost 1.5 hour lecture on the vector quantity. What is a vector? And you are telling me that the direction is a 4 and 8. If direction is 4, so what is the magnitude?
The direction? No, sir, I did not understand.
You know what? Whatever you are saying, I am not understand. I am too not understandable what you are saying. You said that direction is 8, direction is 4.
No, sir, direction is 6. No, yes, sir. And magnitude is,
Unbelievable.
sir, the magnitude is 36.
Okay. All right, all right. Let me tell you. So let's go back in time. What I told you here, डायरेक्शन क्या होता है? अगर आप किसी एक्स डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हो, दैट इज अ डायरेक्शन. एंड डायरेक्शन ऑलवेज हैव अ क्वांटिटीज लाइक आई कैप, जे कैप, के कैप. मैंने आपको बताया
Yes, sir.
है ना. इफ यू आर राइटिंग दिस फोर आई कैप, that has two things. One is a magnitude and one is direction.
Yes, sir.
So that means magnitude is this 4. 4 is your magnitude, and this I cap, this is your direction. Direction means in which direction your vector is moving, on what axis your direction is moving, your magnitude is moving. Like also gave you this example, like if you have moved 4 units in this direction x, so this is your AB vector that shows 4 direction, and it is in 4 units in x direction, that is 4 of, oh, that is 4 of I cap. So अब डायरेक्शन में आई कैप जे कैप के कैप आना चाहिए, and you are telling me the direction as a 4, 6, 8. So tell me, is 4 is a direction or magnitude, or 6 is a direction or magnitude?
So direction is 6 is a direction.
How should I
So
tell?
we'll say like this, right? 6 is the 6 units that lies in x direction.
6 unit that lies in x direction. Why are you messing this up? Just tell me what is the direction, na? Just leave this.
The x
Let me tell
direction.
you. Leave this. Let me tell you. Now see this carefully. Open your eyes and ears and please see very carefully and listen what I am saying. दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला ऑफ डायरेक्शन. इसके जस्ट ऊपर मैंने आपको बताया कि डायरेक्शन को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
ये मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला दिया है कि डायरेक्शन को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको कितने देर से मैं बता भी रहा था कि डायरेक्शन क्या होता है. दिस इज अ डायरेक्शन. दिस इज डायरेक्शन. A vector is a quantity that is made up of magnitude as well as direction. So this under the modulus is a magnitude, and this a cap is the direction. So when I am asking you that what is the direction of this a vector, so that is this a cap, and you know that a cap or any cap vector can be found or can be found by a vector over its modulus, that is over its magnitude. तो जब आप इसका वेक्टर निकालोगे, इसका डायरेक्शन निकालोगे, तो डायरेक्शन होगा a cap a vector upon modulus of a vector, that is magnitude of a vector. What is your a vector? A vector is given 4 I cap, 4 j cap, and 2 k cap. And how to find the magnitude of a vector? That is under the root 4 square, that is 16, 4 square, that is 16, and 2 square, that is 4. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus
Upon
2 k
36,
cap
root 36.
upon 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you will simplify this, you will get 2 by 3 I cap, 2 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. This 6 will go in all the denominators.
Okay,
ये
sir.
यहाँ भी जाएगा, ये यहाँ भी जाएगा, और ये यहाँ भी जाएगा. Okay, so tell me how much difference is in this answer and in your answer.
Sir, not
You were
much difference is there.
you were saying a 6, and this is the actual answer. First of all, you are not understanding what is a vector quantity and how vector is made up of. I told you many times that vector is made up of a magnitude as well as direction. So if I'm asking you direction, then you are saying magnitude, that is 6. 6 is a what? 6 is magnitude. It is not a direction. We should know magnitude is a what? Magnitude is a not a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity. It should be any number. Right now?
Yes, sir.
I hope this is clear to you now.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Most of the time you say only yes. You never said any no, or very few times that you have said no. Let's see how much you understood. This is a vector. Get me with the direction of
Okay, sir.
V vector. And now I'm hoping that you will get me at least the right answer. और even अगर राइट आंसर भी नहीं भी आ रहा तब भी राइट फॉर्म में तो आंसर आया आपका.
Okay, sir. Sir?
व्हाट द आंसर.
Yes, sir.
बताइए कितना आ रहा है.
So my answer is root 5 I cap upon 4 plus root 10 j cap upon 4 plus k cap upon 4.
This is your answer, Taiba.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hadia, tell me what's your answer.
So my answer is root 5 I cap upon 4 plus root 10 j cap upon 4 plus k cap upon 4.
How you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
How you got this answer? Not yes, sir.
So first we'll put the formula b vector is equal no b is equal to b vector upon modulus b and then
What
root
B? What
5
B? B cap. Say B cap.
b cap. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
B cap and then root 5 I cap plus root 10 j cap plus k cap upon 5 root 5 plus 10 plus 1. And then sir, root 5 I cap plus root
Why
10.
you have written root? Why you have written root 5 plus 10 plus 1?
So
How you got to
because
know that? Bata.
root 5 into root 5 will be 5.
Basically, you have to do the square now.
Yes, sir. So root 5 into root 5 will be 5 if we did the squaring.
ठीक है. Okay, almost.
Yes.
So this was the unit vector, and you took this much of time in just understanding what is a unit vector.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, what is a co-initial vector? As the name is itself co. What do you mean by co?
2.
In English, co means same,
Yes, sir.
right? And initial means you already know what is initial, the starting point. So co-initial means two vector having same initial point are called co-initial vectors. Two vectors having same initial point. Just focus on this. Same initial point. Like if I say, draw करो यहाँ पे. If I say this is my vector, A vector, and this is my B vector. This is my A vector and this is my B vector. If I say this, so is this vector, is this A and B are co-initial vector?
Yes, sir.
Is there co-initial vectors? And when you are saying yes or no, then always give the reason why you said yes and why you said no. Tell me with the reason, proper justification, why this is a co-initial vectors. If this is co-initial, then why it is co-initial? Tell me why this is co-initial.
So because they have the same line.
Oh, same line.
So
But
because,
I told you.
no, sir. So because they have two different lines.
Tell me how should I teach you? मैं आपको कैसे
No, sir.
पढ़ाऊं जो अभी मैंने एक मिनट पहले बताया वो आप भूल जा रहे हो. You just tell me how should I teach you? What will be the best method to teach both of you? Just tell me. I will follow that method. What I do so that at least you remember what I told. मैंने अभी जस्ट आपको बताया ना कोइनिशियल वेक्टर क्या होता है.
Yes, sir. They share the same starting point.
They share the same starting point. That means co-initial means they two or more vector having same initial point. So someone is saying
Yes.
same line, someone is saying different line. Are you revising other chapters?
Sir, till
नहीं कर
now
रहे हो
we
ना?
did not. So because we were attending maths, so because we have practical exam from Sunday, that's why.
चलिए कोई बात
So
नहीं.
but we
But
will do side by side. We will practice.
No, you don't have to do side by side. You have to add that revision in a main course. ठीक है, अगर साइड बाय साइड
Yes.
करोगे तो नंबर भी साइड वाले आते हैं. All right. So you have to add in your main course. You have to give time for this also. Don't, I
Yes.
always said that don't take your revision part in very light manners. Whenever you do this, you will not get the marks. और ऐसे आंसर
Yes.
दोगे जैसे आज मेरे को क्लास में दे रहे हो आप आंसर. I just told you what is a co-initial vector and you forgot after 1 minute what is a co-initial vector. Co-initial means what? Co is the same. Initial means what? The starting points. So vectors, two or more vectors that has the same starting points. Say this is the direction of this vector, na?
Yes, sir.
This is the direction. This is the direction. So that means they are starting from this point, na? The starting point of this A and B vector is this point, and this is a co-point. Like same starting, same initial.
Yes,
So
sir.
they are co-initial vector. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So revise these things, whatever we have covered in this talk, in this lecture. Do you have any doubt in this lecture till now?
No, sir.
Okay. जितना मैं ध्यान क्लास में करा रहा हूँ ना उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दिया करो. आई एम telling you something else and you are telling me something else. Just focus what I am teaching. Just focus on that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन उसी में से पूछता हूँ. मैंने आपको ये
Yes.
लिखवाया ए वेक्टर इज इक्वल्स टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए into direction of a vector a cap. So I am asking you question from this formula only, and you are telling me this is a 4, this is 6. I'm asking what is the direction and you are giving me a magnitude. So obviously there is a focus
Yes.
collapse. If you
Yes,
are
sir.
not give your 100% focus on this, you are not going to learn. If you want to learn, you have to go with me. Okay, जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. And
Yes,
please
sir.
give
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay, thank you for the class. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, today's class is only for 1.5 hours.
No, this is only for the 1.5 hour. Actually, I
Why,
have
sir?
some work. That's why I changed the schedule. I will take. Don't worry. I will take the extra classes after my exam over. Get over. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, today's how was our performance? I mean,
The performance was very poor.
okay,
Literally
sir.
very poor
Next class
performance.
we'll improve it.
You have to improve. Otherwise, this is very difficult for me to teach you. I'm asking you something else, and you are see after this 1.5 hour of lecture, I almost completed what is a vector, है ना? What is a vector
Yes.
and how we represent vector? What is a magnitude? What is a unit vector? What is a cap, I cap? ये मैंने आपको बता दिया. After getting all the informations about these things, you are not telling me the answer about. You are not giving answers like what is the magnitude. I'm asking
Yes,
direction. You are
sir.
giving me magnitude. So definitely there is a very poor performance, right?
Yes.
I hope that you will improve this. And how you will
Yes.
improve this? It doesn't. ये बस बोलने से नहीं होगा that we will improve. You have to work on that. And how you will work? Just revise whatever we have covered. Just go with the things that we have already done. और जो मैंने आज कराया उसको रिवाइज करके आओगे तो